Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can earn USDT directly to your Trust Wallet account or any other wallet in which you make use of. All you need to do is to follow this video to the end, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that step by step. So guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content you'll be notified. Then the link is in the description box below. When you tap on it, all you need to do is input your email, password, and then you sign up, and you'll be signed up automatically. So guys, after you're signing up, all you need to do is to sign in with your email and password. Now after that is done, it will be bringing you to this interface, which is your dashboard. Now when you're on your dashboard, it's going to be like this, and as you can see over here, when you register you'll be given 100 USDT for free. Now when you have been given 100 USDT, the minimum deposit is 9 USDT and the minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT. So guys, after you've known all of this, as you can see over here, do not worry, 3 to 5 days will be shut down in this declaration of long-term effective platform. So this is a nice platform in which you all should register and deposit. So after your registration, all you need to do is to recharge. Now to recharge, you tap on the recharge, which is over there, and when you tap on the recharge, it's going to be bringing you over to this place. You copy the address and send in the amount of USDT in which you want to deposit. Now after your deposit is done, you tap on recharge completed. Then it's going to be reflecting on your dashboard. So when it has reflected on your dashboard, as you can see over here, this is where your balance is going to be reflecting. So after that is done, all you need to do now is to do your tax by tapping on the on the tax, which is down there. And when you tap on the tax, as you can see over here, it's going to be taking you to the session where you are going to be completing your tax. So guys, it's loading up. So once it's finished loading up, all you need to do now is to tap on complete. That is, you're going to be tapping on the complete tax to complete your tax. You can see over here, to complete. You tap on to complete, and when you deposit 9 USDT, you'll be getting 2.7 USDT every single day. Now all you need to do now is to tap on to complete. Then it's going to be completed immediately. So it's going to be completed. All you need to do is going to be showing you tax completed, and as you can see over here, it has reflected on my balance, which is 2.7 USDT. So let's go back to the withdrawal so we can place our withdrawal. As you can see over here, the total balance for withdrawal is 2.7 USDT. All you need to do now is you input the amount of USDT, your USDT RC20 address, login password, and you confirm. So guys, I've placed my withdrawal and it has left my dashboard. So before I show you my withdrawal proof, I'm going to be taking you to the session where you're going to be getting your referral link. All you need to do is to tap on this icon, which is down here with a star icon. All you need to do is to tap on the icon, and it's going to be taking you over to where you're going to be getting your referral link. So let's do this. Tap on the star icon, which is down there, and it will be taking you to get your referral link. So when you're there already, all you need to do is to tap on copy, and it's going to be copying your referral link so you can share to your friends and loved ones, so they too can also earn. So guys, back to my withdrawal. As you can see over here, my withdrawal of 2.7 USDT has arrived. So guys, this is how you can earn on this platform with the minimum of 9 USDT, and you can also deposit higher, because the higher your deposit, the higher your income